So today I had you this simple makeup look for Valentine's in lingerie. It is amazing how a little contour and blush can change your face a lot. So I didn't do too much technical difficulties in this video as usual. This is a really fast makeup and it has this contrast of in the middle it has like gold, pink, and a little bit of, let me say a little bit of violet. So I tried to make everything even in this tutorial. I don't know if it's the lining, but I don't know if it's lining, but I really don't catch. Who the hell is bothering me right now? I'm doing my fucking video. I'm telling you, these people are freaking annoying. So yes, it's a simple look. I don't freaking know. Well, this is a simple look, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. For this exactly look, and these people are annoying, I'm telling you. I wear this lippy over here. This one, it is from those are from Wet n Wild Celabi lipsticks, and I freaking know because I separate like a red tone for this video, and I don't freaking know where is that red color. So I be like, let me just wear this purple magenta color for this tutorial. And for the next tutorial, I'm having more luck. Yeah, I'm guiding you through recreating this look with the lippy. Everything is inside this video, and you can build the colors out. It's a beautiful look to this tutorial. This look is gorgeous, girls. I'm so in love with this look. It is absolutely gorgeous. So keep on watching so you can recreate this Valentine's look. I will see you later, but please enjoy this tutorial. And I'm basically just blending everything with this blending brush like this. Any brush that you have. I use the pinky color and the gold in the middle, and I darken this area right here with the violet color. These are the steps I'm basically gonna retouch before doing the intro for this video, but basically this is what you have to do. My final look is in the intro. As you saw, it's bright, a bunch of color for this Valentine's Day. So once we have done the eyebrows and everything in the eyes, we're going in the contour. So I'm just using a simple contouring powder. This one's like a light bronze powder, and this is what I'm gonna apply in my cheeks, just like that. Sorry for my background, it's supposed to be like this, but I had to work on my background, okay? Because the tape that I bought in the Dollar Tree, there are a lot of things I bought in the Dollar Tree that I really enjoyed that I didn't thought I was gonna like, because it was $1, but this tape double and it doesn't work, so I had to get a new tape and work on my back. So sorry for that at the moment. So yes, you do your contour. What I'm using for blush simply is this quad over here, the pinky color, and that's what I'm gonna apply in my cheeks for blush. Okay, once we have done that step, remember, yes, I'm gonna retouch, but these are just the simple steps that you have to do for this makeup. I never knew this one was for highlight. Apparently, I've been using more like these things like this for highlights, but I had noticed that the cheeks take some space from the, from the blush area. So I'll be like, it's supposed to be only in this area. So I think this is the perfect brush for highlights. See, I still learning my makeup and stuff, but it is okay. We're all here to learn. We're not perfect. So I'm grabbing this highlight, and this is what I'm gonna apply here. See, it's perfect area of the highlight, and this highlight is so pigmented. I put highlights over here, absolutely. I blend the highlight that I've already put there, blend with the contour and the blush that you already have. Okay, so basically you're gonna have a blush and contour and beautify your face for this Valentine's Day. So that's that. For lashes, I'm using this Mega Wear mascara from Wet n Wild, which is the thing that I'm gonna wear in my lashes. Basically, I'm gonna do something like this in my lashes. Jesus Christ, I'm telling you, this background really fucked up, but I have to come here to do this little lingerie makeup for Valentine's Day. So that's for I do have a lippy here. Where my lippy go? Anyways, we have some lippies over here, and I guess I'm gonna use this. Yeah, I have like a red one for this one. Yeah, I need a red one. What's the red lippy? Yeah, this is red lippy because these eyes were supposed to be together with a red lippy. I was gonna do a tutorial with a chocolate palette from Too Faced and a red lippy. So there's a red lippy that I found. So this one I'm gonna wear on my lips. It's not even red. It has violet undertones, so I need to find a red and make a tutorial. I guess that's gonna have to be next time. Yeah, so this is what you do. Okay, you finish your eyes and stuff and your mascara, and you set with the setting spray. This one over here is City Color Collection Primer Spray that you can find in iCanHouse.com. So you put that in your face like this, and this is the final look. It has like goldens and pinky color tones, which is amazing for this Valentine Day. Also to wear with the lingerie for your husband or your little boyfriend, and you're good to go.